Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to install the Vue.js framework via Vite. Vite, which is nothing but is a front-end tooling, right? So here it is easy to configure and it will be very fast to run the application, very simply run the application, right? Without loading all the dependencies. The required dependency, all the things are easily loaded and runs very fastly. Okay, if you are go to the Vue.js official website and it will be low. If you are installing Vue.js framework, it takes some time to download all the dependency. It's not fast. It takes some time to configure Fort and everything. But if you are using Vite, if you are installing using Vue.js using Vite, it's very simple, right? So when you are Laravel project, you are using the Vite Vue.js as a front end, you have to type Vue.js Vite, press enter key here, right? It's getting started. Click on this. Now you can, that will be the instruction they are given. Here, these are templates, right? So here you can go along with the JavaScript or TypeScript. You can select it. So if you go for a React, you can select React. Okay, now I'm going to select Vue. So here, very simple. They are explain how to install the Vue.js. Here simply they will be explained. Okay, so here you can see right after install that here. This is a configure file. So you can see here. This is your first scaffolding your first Vite project. Here you can see right. So okay, if you go down here, this is how you can install the Vue.js project. Right, so you can see here. Right, this is the npm 6 version. This is 7. We can get this one. How to install? Npm create Vite latest. Okay, latest version it will be configuring. Okay, right, Vue.js, right? So here you can create the Vue.js latest version. So here you can see my Vue app. You can give any name of your app. You can give my front end banking app or something like that. Now I'm going to create the app. So like copy, you can see I'm going to create the folder here. Here I'm going to create the program as sample project. Just give the folder. Inside the project, I'm going to install the Laravel Vue.js project. So here I'm going to paste it and I'm going to change the name of this one. Whatever name you can give here. Here I'm going to write post front end app. Front end app. Okay, this is a front end part. Okay, this is a Vue.js as a front end part. You can configure the name. Very simple. This is a template scaffolding. Template view scaffolding. This is how we have create npm create Vite latest version. This is the name of your Vue.js app. The front end name of your Vue.js app. This is the app scaffolding. The templates. All the template will be here. It will be generated. Okay, now if you press enter key, right, now you can see here it will be installed in your machine. Right here, it will be installing here without take too much of time. After that, you have to follow this instruction. You have to go inside this folder using the command prompt. You have to type cd. You just copy this line. No need to write. Control C to copy. Right click and paste it. Here, if there's any spaces, you have to leave them. Press enter key. Right now, this also you just copy it. Control C to select. Control C to copy. Right click and paste it. Here, if you have any spelling here, space unwanted space, you have to remove them. Press enter key. You have to wait the npm. You have to hit the npm install. The dependency get installed. The required dependency also installed. The depend on the internet connection. This is my internet connection is too much slow. That's why it taking the time. Some time. If your internet connection is good, it will be very fast. Here, now my internet connection is slow, but it will install here. Only here 26 packages are installed here. Configured. Right now, if you run that, we are using npm run dev. Press enter key. Now you can see here this port is generated randomly. Right? If you have copy this code, run the app here. it working successfully well. Here it working successfully well. Right, very simple. Now if I'm going to change the port and everything, go in here inside the project, type cmd. I'm open on this VS Code editor. So how to open the VS Code editor? Code space dot press enter key. Now all the entire project will be open on the VS Code editor successfully. Now you can go to the Vite config.js. Here we have to configure the port. So here you have to type this command to change your port. Okay, without generating the random port. Okay, you have to put your port. Okay, you have to put this port. 88 server. You have to type colon open bracket and close bracket port 88. My server should be start with this port. File save all. Now you no need to here. Now you can see the go to your the port has been changed here. Now your application is not working about this port. If your port is 8080, now you can see your application is works perfect. This up you have to change your port. Very simple. Here. Now so far you're done successfully. Here Vue is a single page application. It's the HTML. Okay, here it will be go to the script model src main.js. It's go to the file. It's the main.js. Here what happen is what you are doing is it will be create the app. This app is where it is resided here app.js. Right here where our application has been running. Okay, it will be calling to the component hello world. Here this is the run. Here where the application should be running. Okay, very simple. Here hello world, it will be running this one back a message. Right, this hello world is our component we are imported here. Right, so it will what you are resided run it write it here, it will be running that. Very simple. This is simple stuff. We are generating that using this simple command. Okay, right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, instead of writing this one, I'm going to get rid of these lines. These all things I'm got rid of these lines. I'm going to write inside the template h1. I'm going to write hello. File save all, bring back to the application. Hello is display. Right, very simply we have to make the application. Right, so these are the styles they are given three differently. Okay, so these are we are using the Vite. How to install the Vite using the Vue.js. So I hope you understood the things well. If you haven't that, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me, and thank you for watching.